Hi, if you like the video, please remember to subscribe.
Hi, it's Rob from robnunphoto.com with a really quick short video on how I use my HTC Desire Google Android mobile phone as a really great photographic tool or great camera. It's really cool because of the way that you can take photographs, edit them on the phone and then upload them to Flickr really quickly. So I just want to sort of take you through that. And what I'm going to be using is the phone's built-in camera app, and then I'm also going to be using an app called Vignette. That's Vignette. You can find it on the Google Android marketplace. And Vignette is a brilliant tool for editing photos. You can use it to take photos as well, but I like to use the built-in Android app to actually take the photographs and then edit them in Vignette and then upload them to Flickr. And I just wanted to share how to do it and how easy it is. So let's say you're out and about with your phone, you see something interesting, you think, oh yeah, I really fancy sort of sharing that on Flickr, like right now. Like I'm doing a Project 365 where I'm taking a photograph every single day, and I like to just take the photograph, edit and upload it and be done. And I'm mucking around with it on my laptop. So I flick the camera app on, and then you know, just for demo's sake, I found this Olympus strip that I think is interesting. So I'm just going to take a picture of it. There we go. So I've got my photograph. So now all I have to do is look at the photograph. There it is there. And then I just press menu, share, scroll down, and then you see Vignette at the bottom. So press Vignette, and what that does is that pushes the picture over to Vignette, so I can now edit it in Vignette. And with Vignette you just go menu, effects, and I think, well, what sort of effect do I want today? I'll tell you what, I just want a normal film effect. So it's going to look like that. Oh, that's a bit boring, isn't it? No, I don't want that. Tell you what, I fancy a toy camera effect, but I want it to be cross-processed. How about that? A bit greener. See it better if you do it like that. Oh, you know, I'm not really sure about that either. I think it might be cooler to do something like a cinematic effect. How about a Technicolor look? No, that's a bit similar to one of the others. How about miscellaneous? Well, we got fake HDR. How about that? Well, yeah, it's interesting, but I tell you what, I'm going to use Ilford, which is like a generic black and white one. There we go. There we go. Nice plain black and white. So there you can see, I've only really scratched the surface of Vignette there, but you can do other things, like you can rotate the image and do there's literally dozens of different effects you can apply to your photographs, including you can have a completely custom look as well, where you choose everything from the vignette to the level of grain, to light leaks and all that sort of stuff. So I'm happy with that. That's the look I want. So now I go menu, save and close. And then what that means now is, because Vignette works in the full resolution photographs, it doesn't make them smaller. It does take it a while to change your photograph and render it, I guess you would say. And you've probably seen in the top left hand corner, oops, there's a little green icon. You can probably just about see it, and that means that Vignette is working on that photograph. Boom, it's finished. So now if I go into my gallery, and I'm already in the Vignette gallery, here we go. If I go down to the bottom, you'll see there's my Olympus trip picture. See it better if I do it like that. Now all I have to do now, because I want to get up onto Flickr, is just go menu, share, Flickr, and that opens up the little Flickr sharing app. Change the title, let's change it to trip. Oop. I'm not going to bother adding a description. Upload. In this screen I can change the album it goes in, whether it's public or private. I'm just going to say done. Okay, so now it's uploading to Flickr, and in the top left hand corner you can see there's that little arrow thing, so that means it's uploading. And of course, being Android, it's multitasking, so you can go off and do other stuff. So you can say, oh, I tell you what, while that's doing that, let's have a game of Angry Birds, shall we, while we're waiting for that to upload. Because remember, it's a full resolution file, so it's probably a couple of megabytes. So dum-de-dum-de-dum, you go off, and obviously normally you'd be say you're going, like in the morning I would be going along and I'd be going to work or whatever. So yeah, so here we go. A little bit of Angry Birds. Just have a bit of fun. What we got? Let's fire that one that way. Well, I tell you what, let's go back and see if it's finished uploading yet. Oh, we're at 97% now, so it's almost finished. 98. Almost done. Right, it's done. Successfully uploaded. And just to prove that it's up there, let's go to the internet. Go to my bookmarks. Go to Welcome to Flickr, which is me. Wait for that to load. Dum-de-dum. Here it comes through. Let's have a look at my photo stream. And hopefully there'll be a photograph of an Olympus trip. There it is, Olympus trip. So you can see how incredibly fast, quick and easy it is just to take a photograph, edit in Vignette, and then upload it to Flickr. I mean, I tend to use the same presets a lot in Vignette, so I'll probably be using like toy camera black and white or toy camera cross process. And so it's literally take the picture, share it into Vignette, change it to toy camera black and white, and then save it out and then upload it to Flickr. And literally as I'm walking to work in the morning, say things like let me find one that I've done. Let's just go on. This is just my Flickr photo stream here. Let's have a look. Say this one. This little unusual looking little shed. I was walking to work, walked past it, I went, that's unusual. Took one photograph with the camera, and then as I was carrying on walking to work, I was into Vignette, toy camera black and white, save it out, and then shared it to Flickr in a matter of probably 2 minutes or something like that. So you can see how wonderful it is. So there we go. So there's the HTC Desire Android phone. I mean, this applies to all Android devices. Just go to the Android market and download Vignette. You do have to get the paid version because it's definitely well worth it. And you can see how fast and easy it is to really put really nice effects onto your photographs and upload them and share them to Flickr. Well, my name's Rob from rob9photo.com. Thanks for watching.